Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to fix if GitHub login's not working. So first, check your username and password. So make sure you're entering the correct GitHub username or email address and password. If you're unsure, look for forgot password and click on that. So click on that to reset it. Next, clear browser cache and cookies. So old browser data can interfere with the login process. So click the three dots in the top right corner, then scroll down and go to settings. Now on the left side, go to privacy and security. Then click delete browsing data. Now at the top, you can choose a time frame. You can click more and select all time. Then down here, make sure you check cache images and files and also cookies and other site data. Then click delete data. Once done, go back to GitHub, refresh or reload the page and see if that works. Next is to check your internet connection. So go to the bottom right corner and click Wi-Fi icon and make sure your internet connection is stable. If possible, you can switch to another Wi-Fi network or use mobile data to test it. Next is to disable VPN or proxy. So a VPN or proxy can sometimes cause authentication issues, so turn it off temporarily and try logging in again. So to turn it off, click the three dots in the top right corner, then scroll down and look for extensions. Then select Manage Extensions. So disable one by one. Then go back to GitHub and try again and see if that works. And that's basically it. I hope you find this helpful. Thank you for watching.